Variables. In this lesson, we will talk about variables. So what are the contents? The contents are what is variables, variables in Python, rules for variables, and example. So what exactly are variables? Variables is a way to store values like we use in algebra where we can assign a value to a variables, a value that can be changed to find the formulas by assigning these kind of values to different formulas. For example, if you want to find the a plus b square, so you can use this formula and assign a value for the variables like a, b, and then you can see the a plus b is 5. Here you can see in this example. So in computer programming, variables is used to store a value in reference address. In your computer, in your memory, you cannot store your value directly to the memory because memory comes with a different kind of address that may be in a hexadecimal format. And we didn't know about this address's value. So that's why we use variables that represent the address. So whenever you store a value to a variable represent an address, and this is the way how you can store the values. The example here are in Python shell. You can type, for example, here you can see the a is 2, means assigning a value 2 to a, and then b to 3, and then when you use a plus b, you will get an answer of 5. So like the other programming language, Python also has a way to assign a value to the variables. So in this, what basically we do, we we declare variables, and then we assign a value to the variables, and then we can apply some logic or some formula to obtain the desired result. But whenever you create a variables, there are some ground rules. These are the rules, for example. So whenever you create a variables, in Python, variables is created in the moment you first assign it. So whenever you assign a value to a variables, so Python create that particular variables. Whenever you declare variables, whenever you write a variables, it should not start with a number, and it always should start with a letter or the underscore character. And a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. You cannot create a variables that has a space between them. For example, if you're creating a variables like area of rectangle, so you can see this is a combination of 3 words. So you cannot use a space between area then and a space then of then rectangle. Instead, you can rely on the camel case characters, where you can create a variable names that can start with a small case and then each word start with a capital letter. So variables are case sensitive. So this is something that you always need to remember. So where you can see an example like age and an age that start with a capital letter, and an age that where the all 3 letters are capitals. So these are 3 different variables. So variables are case sensitive, point to we remember here. And here is an example. The first one is the correct, then incorrect, and then I will show you a demonstration of on a variable soon. So here you can see area of square. So you can see this is a combination of 3 words, and it is separated by underscore. Second one, this is also a variable, so it's a combination of multiple words, and here we are using camel case, so this is also a correct variable. And variable can have a number that is 3, any number. So you can use any number in a variables, but always remember the variable never start with a number. You can have a number between between that particular word, but you cannot start a variable with a number. So here are some incorrect. So here you can see the 3 is a number, so this variable start with a number, so this cannot be a variable, you will get an error. And you cannot have a space between them, so if you try to create a variable that can have a space, it will be ignored. So my friends, let's have a demonstration on a variables and let's try it.